Hey guys, what's up? It's Blind Toes. Today's video is I'm going to show you guys how to customize your voiceover gestures, and I'm going to do my best not to make this video too long, but you know, sometimes these how-to videos tend to take a little bit too long, but I'll do my best. Well, I already have my phone already in my hand and set up, so here we go. And hopefully, I think some of you guys know how to do it. This is for the other side of the blind community that would not know how to do it. Okay? And I have my voiceover set to 70 for the voice. So here we go. Okay? So you're gonna go to settings.
FaceTime. Watch. Home. Health. Wallet. Settings.
Okay?
Settings.
Okay, we're in settings, and now you're gonna swipe all the way over to accessibility. Okay?
Search. Text. Apple. Airplane. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Cellular. Personal. Notification. Sounds. And do not disturb. Screen time. General. Button. Control center. Display input. Accessibility. Button.
Okay, alright. So I'm sorry for looking at the screen. Can't help it.
Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone.
Okay. Now you're gonna swipe over to voiceover.
Vision. Heading. Voiceover. On. Button.
Okay, double tap in there.
Voiceover. On.
Now, then once you're in here, then you're also gonna swipe all the way over to commands.
Voiceover. Speak. Tap 1. Double tap to act. Swipe 3 to go home. To use the app. To use control. To use voiceover. Speaking mate. Speaking mate. Speech. Button. Verbosity. Button. Braille. Button. Audio. Button. Commands. Button.
Okay, you double tap in here.
All commands. Button.
Okay, now there's like a couple of tabs in here that I will go over so you guys can get the general layout. So the first one is all commands.
Touch gestures. Button.
Touch gestures. Now this is for all the touch gestures on the phone.
Keyboard shortcuts. Button.
Keyboard shortcuts if you have a Bluetooth.
Commands are prefixed with the voiceover modifier key. Handwriting. Button.
Handwriting, I haven't played around with that yet.
Braille screen input. Button.
Braille screen input, I don't have one.
Reset voiceover commands. Button.
And if you want to reset your voiceover commands, I don't know why you want to do that. Now we just want to go to the touch gesture tab. So let's swipe back over. So I'm going to do is tap the left right hand corner so it'll be easier.
Voiceover. Back button.
Okay.
Commands. All commands. Button.
So I'm swiping right.
Touch gestures. Button.
Okay, right here. Touch gestures. Double tap in here.
Tap. One finger. Heading.
Okay, now this is gonna list all the gestures. Okay, so I'm not gonna go through all of it because it's gonna take a long time, and it's yeah.
Twitter now. Ability 75%.
Oh shoot! Sorry guys.
70%.
Things happen, right? Even though I have do not disturb on. Okay, well this is gonna list all the commands like single tap, double tap, 3-finger swipe left, right, or 2-finger swipe left and right. But I'll let the thing. And I'll set my thing to heading, so it'll be a quick one too.
Characters. Headings.
Okay, so let's go.
1 finger single tap. Speak item. Dimmed.
Right? So that means that you can't customize it. Okay? Hopefully you guys can hear it.
1 finger double tap. Activate. Dimmed. 1 finger triple tap. Perform long press.
Okay?
1 finger quadruple tap. Secondary activate.
Okay, see? That means that I can customize it because it's not dimmed.
Tap. 2 fingers. Heading. 2 finger single tap. Toggle speech. 2 finger double tap. Magic tap. 2 finger triple tap. Show item chooser. 2 finger quadruple tap. Tap. 3 fingers. Heading.
Okay, well, what I'm going to do is going to customize the 2-finger swipe left or right. So since I have my rotor to headings, I can quickly go to it.
Tap. 4 fingers. Heading.
Right? Ooh, look at that. 4 fingers.
Swipe. 1 finger. Heading. Swipe. 2 fingers. Heading.
Okay, right here. So I'm going to go to an empty one. Okay?
2 fingers swipe left.
Okay, yeah, okay. So let's go to the 2-finger swipe left because it's empty and has nothing with it. So double tap this one or any other one that's empty.
Cancel button.
Okay, now this screen is going to list everything, and I mean everything that you can make this gesture do. And I'll just only over a couple of them, okay?
Commands heading.
See, this is the commands heading.
Search field. Dictate button. Interaction heading.
Yeah, oh yeah, my bad. Like here it is, the interaction heading.
Activate.
Activate something.
Secondary activate. Magic tap. Escape.
Yeah, see,
Magic tap.
see magic tap by 2-finger swipe left.
Escape. Perform long press. Basic navigation heading.
Basic navigation.
Move to previous item. to item below. Move to last item.
Okay, now I want to do is I'm gonna have it connect to the control center by just swiping two finger swipe left. Even though I have a iPhone 11, when I can just do it with one finger by swiping down. Now let's see if I can remember where it is.
Text navigation heading.
No, it's not in that.
Rotor heading.
No.
Scrolling heading. Speech and audio heading. Output heading. System heading.
Yeah, it's in the system. So I'm gonna swipe right to go in, to look for it.
Notification center.
Oh, yes, I could do that.
Control center.
Here it is, right here, the control center. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double tap this to select it.
Commands back button.
All right, that means that I have selected it, and now let's do the two finger swipe left.
Control center. Airplane mode. Switch button off.
There you go, right there. Now let's say if you don't want that no more. Okay, so you
Settings. Commands. Back
okay, so you do the same thing but backwards.
Touch gestures heading.
Okay, yep. I'm still in the like a touch gestures.
Search field.
Okay, so let's swipe down because I have my thing set to headings.
Tap one finger. Tap two tap three tap four fingers. Swipe one finger. Heading. Swipe two finger. Swipe three swipe four finger. Rotate heading. Scrub heading. Tap and hold two fingers. Heading. Scrub heading. Rotate. Swipe. Tap four finger. Tap three tap two tap one finger. Heading. One finger single tap. One finger double tap. Tap. Swipe. Rotate. Scrub. Tap and hold. Double tap. Heading not found.
Oh, where am I at? Oh, shoot.
Back button. Commands.
Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, never mind. I was still in the system thing. Oh.
Rail screen input button.
Oh, wait, no, I'm not. Oh.
Voiceover. Back button. Command. All commands button. Touch gestures button.
Yeah.
Tap one finger. Heading.
Okay, yeah. So sorry, I wasn't in that. Okay, so let's do this again. Okay.
Tap two finger. Tap three fingers. Heading. Tap four fingers. Swipe one finger. Heading. Tap four fingers. Heading. Tap three fingers. Heading. Tap two fingers. Heading. Tap one finger. Tap four. Swipe one finger. Heading. Swipe two fingers. Heading.
My bad. I messed up. I was actually in the thing right here. So just go to the if you haven't set up for the two finger swipe. Yeah, right here. Sorry, guys. Well, things happen, right? So let's swipe right.
Two fingers swipe left. Control center.
See right there. See. So since we have that set up already, now since if you change your mind and you don't want to do it no more, tap on that.
Cancel button.
Then you swipe down with your headings to system.
Commands. Heading. Interaction. Basic navigation. Heading.
Come on.
Rotor. Heading. Scrolling. Heading. Speech and audio. Heading. Output. Heading. System. Heading.
Right there, system.
Notification center. Selected. Control center.
Okay, so since it's selected, you double tap again to unselect it.
Commands. Back button.
Okay, okay, right. And I am in the regular commands,
Heading not found. Touch gestures. Heading.
Touch gestures.
Tap one finger. Heading.
Yeah, so I'm in that menu. So let's try the two finger swipe to the left. All right, nothing. Okay, right there. So I unselected that. So I don't have that no more. All right, guys. Well, sorry for that a little fumble, but hey, well, there you go. That's how you customize your voiceover gestures. Hey, if you like these videos, hey, hit that like button and comment down below if you want to see more how-tos. So remember, hit that subscribe and notification bell with your big toe, okay? If you are new, just smash it, please. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side.